My chosen topic is childhood obesity. This is a very personal subject for me because I have family members that are dealing with health problems because of obesity. This is a local, a state, a national, and an international public health crisis. It is the number one health concern for among parents in the United States. An estimated number of obese children globally are within the 43 million range of preschool children. And if this continues, nearly 60 million children will be obese. The definition of obesity is if you are well above your normal weight. More than 20% of normal weight is considered obese. Obesity is having a body mass at or above the 95th percentile for children of the same age and sex. Also, there is a difference between being overweight and being obese. They both mean having body fat, extra body fat that is not healthy. But however, obesity means having a much higher amount of body fat. Some causes of being obese are poor diet, poor food choices, lack of exercise, having an inactive lifestyle, such as watching TV all day or being on the computer all day or playing video games, but you're not exerting any physical energy. Now we can go to a fast food restaurant and we can oversize or we can supersize. Going to McDonald's now, all you have to do is say supersize it. Supersize it means that you're getting an extra amount of calories. You are getting extra fries. You are getting a larger hamburger, a larger soda. Instead of having milk, our children have sodas. So that is one of the causes of obesity in children. And also, obesity carries some negative emotions because if our children are bored, they eat. If they are sad, they eat. If they are angry, they eat. Because they are not dealing with anyone else. They are holding all of these emotions on the inside. And when you hold all these emotions on the inside, then you overeat. So that's one of the things that we need to work on with our children as far as their emotions are concerned. Some of the states with the highest and lowest rates of obesity are, and this is according to the Center for Disease Control, Mississippi in the South has the highest rate of obesity at 34.9%. Colorado, on the other hand, has the lowest rate at 20.7%. Florida's obesity rate is now at 26.6%. Also, 26 of the 30 states with the highest obesity rates are in the Midwest and the South. The South because we eat so many fatty foods. Some of us do. We do eat unhealthy things, and that's it. So that's why the South. Some of the factors that are associated with obesity are genetics. With genetics being a factor, it says that obesity is inherited from your parents. But also, if you are an obese child, more than likely you will be an obese adult. Some of the behavioral factors are your sedentary lifestyle, where you sit and there's no physical exercise going on. Environmental factors. You are surrounded by examples of food all the time. Food that's on TV, and that gets you in the notion, hey, I have to have that. And so you get up and eat it. You get pizza, you get all these fast food items, and that's where the extra weight comes in. And it's also in our various settings, whether it's at home or at school or in the community. Some of the health problems that are associated with obesity are: you are at a high risk of cardiovascular disease, you have high blood pressure, you have increased cholesterol levels, you also have respiratory problems, where you're going to have problems breathing because you have all of this excess weight that's around your heart. It also affects your musculoskeletal system. And then also one of the main causes is type 2 diabetes in our young kids. Some of the benefits of a healthy diet and exercise are that it helps control your weight, because if you're busy and you're doing some sort of exercise, you're not eating. And then when you exercise, you will therefore drink water, and water is very good for you instead of the sodas. It also, exercise improves your mood, because you are not sitting there thinking about things that might bother you. You're up, you're exercising, and that's what's on your mind right then. Again, you breathe better. You have less health problems and better self-esteem. If you look good, you feel good. And if you feel good, you feel better about yourself. It also boosts your energy, and of course, you sleep better. And exercise, by the way, can be fun. You can make it fun by working with some other students or working with a partner or whatever. But it can be fun. Some treatments and prevention of obesity are: at the home, we can serve healthier meals to our young ones. We can limit our TV viewing, limit our computer time, limit just sitting around doing nothing. Also, eating at the dinner table sometimes will help, because if you sit in front of the TV, you're going to eat more. But if you're sitting at the dinner table, you're talking, and that gives you a chance to do what you need to do. At school, it should be mandatory physical education classes. And of course, school cafeterias should eliminate unhealthy food. And then we should not bring unhealthy food in our classrooms. And as teachers, we have to model, teachers and parents, we have to model our eating habits. To help with prevention, parents need to model, as I say, healthy eating. And our very own First Lady, Michelle Obama, she now has a campaign out called Let's Move. Let's move by getting off the couch, doing some form of physical activity. So in order to solve the problem of childhood obesity, it will require cooperation between our families, our schools, and our healthcare professionals. Thank you. Okay, I just clicked.